Hello everyone, we are at Extrawork Summit 2025 and myself Kishan Gamlani and we have with us Janvi Jaiswal who is the co-founder at Macron. So Janvi, can you just introduce yourself and about your company?
Hi everyone. I'm Janvi Jaiswal, co-founder at Macro Novus. We are based out of Bangalore, and when it comes about what Magron actually is doing, so our whole approach is very deep-rooted and committed to changing the whole, not changing, I would say reshaping the existing landscape of the urban mobility. So why we specifically chose like electric vehicles in first place? Because whatever are the existing EV offerings in the market, they do lack that kind of connect which each rider or each user has with their vehicle, which is like a IC vehicle for decades. So obviously, to change something which has been there for so long, in instance, it's very difficult. And whatever EV offerings that we have right now are all, I would say, very basic user expectations are getting fulfilled with that. And we try to bring in that change with giving an, the kind of vision that we have is to blend in sustainability, performance, and obviously at the end of the day, give a very exhilarating experience to the user who's riding that vehicle. So that is what our vision at Magron Novus is.
Okay, so can you describe some of the missions and also can you elaborate more on visions of the Macron?
So at Magron Novus, what we are actually focusing on is to give in a overall riding experience which is very forgiving, very smooth, and people who are riding it exactly get the gist of what an EV is, not something which is already there in the existing market, giving out offerings which are very basic, not catering to the expectation that a user would have while riding that vehicle. Something like what we are trying to develop at Magron Novus is a game-changing vehicle, which when the user rides it, would get the gist of an EV, which actually absolutely feels like an ICE vehicle. People will find it very difficult to just move from IC to EVs and be very comfortable and get a very good experience riding.
Okay. So what are some of the key challenges for EV two-wheeler market for flourishing and what advantage can brand Macron bring to the equations?
So, I mean, definitely the regulatory pushes and overall awareness campaigns, which has to be widespread about the market, which is very important. Now, we at Magron have very successfully, I would say, that cater to the fact that we have addressed the problems of, range anxiety, which people do have when it comes to adopting EVs. We have a very decent range. We have fast charging capabilities. We have resale service also for the people because definitely it's going to be a next coming thing. And we do have a lot of modern features integrated in the vehicle. So for example, we have AI powered BMS, for example, which can help in identifying energy efficiency or how efficiently the battery is getting used. And then we have rider analytics also, which are AI powered. And at the end of the day, since AI and IoT are something which is very emerging technologies, so we are leveraging that fact of it. We are also having like machine learning models, which can help in route optimization and also on the adaptive regenerating braking. So it will all help in the efficiency and how efficiently we can use the existing technologies that we have to give out a product which obviously just surpasses global standards. So that is our idea, to have a global product for the market.
That's great. Thank you for joining us today and wish you best luck for your upcoming projects.
Thank you.